Hey Internet, this is Whiskey 6 stroke India November -014. It's Papoose Peak, kind of over here off Death Valley Road, over in the Eastern Sierras. I guess Eastern Sierras adjacent, that's what you're looking at over there. That's the Eastern Sierras. First activation of the day. Nice hike up here actually. I hiked up in the morning, so it wasn't too hot, but I brought my shade structure anyways. Over here I got the HF kit and logbook full already. We pulled the HT out a couple times to try to make some contacts there, but had no luck on 2 meters. I worked 20 meters, I worked 40 meters and 30 meters. Had better luck on 30. And yeah, you know, I was in the middle of a QSO and these 2 fighter jets like flew through this canyon over here. And I swear they were below me. And it was so loud, and I could almost see the guy in the cockpit flying the thing. It was neat, but just incredibly deafening loud. So I hope the guy on the other end knew that I was talking about jets. I kept sending BT jets, like basically like hold on. Over here, there's a rock pile with a summit log in there. Interestingly enough, like the first log was in 2004, the next one was in 2019, and then it started filling up from there. So I guess COVID hikers, I'm one of them. Yeah, handful of trees up here. It's pretty nice. It's got a nice cool breeze up here today. And yeah, over there is Nevada, I believe. Or yeah, Death Valley. It's that direction. And yeah, I believe all the jets are coming from the Nevada test site, where Area 51 is. That's over there somewhere. Anyways, thanks for watching.